Hey Malta, how are you? It's Paul Attard, the CEO of the Rock Army Creative Acts and Outcome. On April 26, 2017, I stopped the mail from taking its life in the Toronto Transit Subway Commission. That 30-minute event was actually caught on camera by a janitor and went viral all over the world on social media.
Am strong.
That's not good enough. Louder.
I am strong.
On June 24th, I started a group called the Rock Army. I became a life coach, personal motivator for the group. It's for people battling with mental health. It's a closed group as of today. We are now a global international movement around the world. On June 11th, I posted a story on Facebook called the I Am Strong video. It went viral all over the world. From there, ever since, we had film producers reaching out to me. On July 30th, we finished filming a documentary called I Am Strong. It's basically tells the story, what happened. It was released on YouTube on Friday, October 27th. As of today, it is now becoming a world, global, international movement around the world. And now we're doing a follow-up to the 4/26/17, Follow the Journey, that touched social media around the world. So I'm here in the process to show my supporters in Malta, the journalists, my Rock Army family members, my way of saying thank you for bringing me down to Malta. Love you all. Grazie.